we put on a display for our customers. And to do that, we change plants out when they go out of flower. We also do it because we really like flowers, so it gives a place of great beauty for those of us that are here at Logee. Taking care of our display plants is much like a botanical garden, where we are creating specimens that have a lot of beauty to them, and we're not selling them. So they're something that we continue to keep over the years. Some of our plants go back almost 100 years. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's impressive.
Yeah, I just clean the leaves up on them.
Yep.
Yeah, and they're finally growing that well again. You might want to
bring this down
or just snip that off. Yeah, you just, I mean, we've got plenty on the other side. Just cut it back. I would probably cut the top of this out so we get more light in. And even this here is pretty dark and shady, isn't it? People can't even sit here anymore. I don't know if you could maybe even cut
one of these
yeah, some of this to open that up.
Yep.
I mean, we don't need all that.
That's done. That heat cooked that.
So right around the top, get it out of here. We'll see what we can find to stick in there.
Yep.
I mean, that might not be we elevated up that the ginger. Or, yeah, it's good spot, something like that.
We're going to replace this Heliconia rostrata with one that's a little bit smaller. It's got a little bit more health to it because it's a newer generated stock.
Yeah.
So we're going to basically pull this one out of
try
here.
To figure out why this is.
Right.
It's probably root problems.
So we'll chop this thing back
Plus,
real
it's
hard.
been in this pot for probably a decade. So
well, you can see that it's actually busting through the side of the
pot.
pot.
It's breaking the pot. So
it needs a repot.
Yeah.
We have two Begonia maculatas that are on this bench here, and we're going to pull one of them out of here and replace it with Aristolochia gigantea. Yeah. It's in full bloom right now, so it's a really cool plant. Kind of a short bloom cycle, so we want to take advantage of it while we can. I'll pull this one out because it's kind of burned up at the top. Then when I bring it in, I'll just put it right there in that spot. So this is our Aristolochia gigantea. We are going to bring this out and put it on display because it is, as you can tell, in full bloom right now. Pretty awesome plant. Excited to get it out there. See if we can get it up there. Well, a little bit of cleanup, but that'll give us a nice long display. And we definitely need to do more ponderosa cuttings.
Yeah, it's time to take cuttings.
Yep.
Definitely. Yeah.
And this clerodendron here, we cut this back pretty hard.
Yeah, that's Yeah, you can still cut it. There's still time for that. Yeah. It does look like we got a fair amount of fruit on the tree.
Yep, and we as it ripens, we've been selling it, no problem. Yeah, look at that. That's heat.
Huh?
Yeah. I mean, these fronds are towards the end of their cycle anyways, but that collapse when it's not dry, that's definitely heat.
The vanilla came back into bloom. That's good.
There's our cornarium.
Yeah, what is that? Is this something, a weed that came in? That's a monster.
It's a monster.
I'd probably get that out of there.
We need to shine light on our staghorn collection.
That'd make a wonderful basket if you put it. It's huge. It's huge.
My favorite part about curating is finding the perfect plant for the perfect spot in the greenhouse. It's really important to curate the retail space because we have so many plants that have different cycles throughout the year, and we want to consistently keep flowers and color and different plants in here. So to keep on top of that, we constantly need to be cycling through this.